Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the meter is powered and calibrated. A weak battery skews readings. Next, set the range. Use auto for convenience or pick the nearest manual range to avoid overflow. Once done, clear any shadows or reflective surfaces between sensor and lamp and position the sensor perpendicular to the light at the target measurement height. Make sure ambient lights are in the state you want measured. Then press the measure or hold button to capture a stable lux reading. Now refine your process. If the light flickers or varies, switch to average or max/min logging so you capture meaningful data over time. Also, document distance and angle for every reading because lux decreases with distance. Note temperature and nearby reflective surfaces too. When measuring through diffusers or glass, place the sensor where the measurement represents actual use. Use a neutral diffuser or the built-in filter to avoid color bias. Make incremental adjustments and retake readings until to finish, save your stable readings with timestamps and clear location labels so you can compare later. This is key when testing multiple fixtures. Then compare measured lux against the target or standard for the task to decide whether changes are needed. If results are inconsistent, troubleshoot by replacing the battery, performing a quick recalibration, or verifying the meter against a known light source. If discrepancies persist, inspect the sensor for dirt or damage, and document the issue before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.